Sundar Pichai. He is the current CEO of Google Incorporated. He was born on July 12, 1972 in Madurai, Tamil Nadu, India. His father's name was Regunatha Pichai and mother's name was Lakshmi Pichai. His father worked as an electrical engineer and mother used to be a stenographer before having children. He has one brother. Pichai grew up in a middle-class home and was a bright student. He excelled academically at his school, Padma Seshadri Ballabhavan, and earned a seat in the Indian Institute of Technology in Kharagpur, one of the most prestigious engineering institutions in India. He did his B.Tech in Metallurgical Engineering from IIT Kharagpur and then won a scholarship to study materials science and semiconductor physics from Stanford University, from where he eventually earned his M.S. He is very good at remembering numbers and could remember every telephone number he dialed when he was young. He initially planned to pursue a PhD from Stanford and embark on an academic career. However, he dropped out and joined Applied Materials, a Silicon Valley semiconductor maker, as an engineer and product manager. He did not work there for long. He went on to complete his MBA from the Wharton School of the University of Pennsylvania, 2002, where he was named a Siebel Scholar and a Palmer Scholar. Following the completion of his MBA, he was appointed as a management consultant at McKinsey & Company. He joined Google in 2004. Initially, he worked on Google's search toolbar as a part of a small team. The toolbar gave users of Internet Explorer and Firefox easy access to Google search. He also worked on other Google products like Google Gears and Google Pack. The success of Google's toolbar gave Pichai the idea that Google should develop its own browser. He discussed his idea with his seniors and faced an objection from then CEO Eric Schmidt, who thought that developing a browser would be a too expensive affair. However, Pichai persevered and convinced the co-founders of Google, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, to launch Google's own browser. Pichai played a pivotal role in the ultimate launch of the browser, Google Chrome, in 2008. Chrome proved to be a great success as it allowed the users to directly access Google's search engine. Pichai became an internationally known figure following the phenomenal success of the Chrome, which eventually became the #1 browser in the world, surpassing competitors such as Internet Explorer and Firefox. The Chrome also paved the way for a series of other important products like Chrome OS, Chromebooks, and Chromecast. In 2008, Pichai was promoted to Vice President of Product Development. In this position, he started appearing more often at Google presentations and continued rising up the ranks in Google. By 2012, he had become the Senior Vice President of Chrome and Apps. In 2013, Andy Rubin, the creator of Android, left to work on a different project. Larry Page then made Pichai in charge of Android as well. His influence continued to increase, and he was made the product chief in October 2014. In 2015, Google formed a company, Alphabet Incorporated, to serve as a holding company and conglomerate to own the subsidiaries that were previously owned by Google, including a new slimmed-down version of Google itself. On 10 August 2015, Sundar Pichai was named the new CEO of Google. In February 2016, he was awarded 273,328 shares of Google's holding company Alphabet, which led to a rise in his net worth. These shares were worth $199 million, and this took his holdings up to $650 million. He married to Anjali Pichai, and they have 2 kids. "Wear your failure as a badge of honor," said Sundar Pichai.